Governor Godwin Obaseki don't come give us speech concerning Nigeria currency. And according to that, say as at last month, federal government print additional 50 to 60 billion naira for all the states to share. And according to I say you know understand because now everybody they focus on 2023 and in they fear because Nigeria will so experience the hyperinflation as Argentina. So I beg I don't bring a whole aside so that I go join me make me watch Obaseki.
What we used to rely on, crude oil. Forget what you are seeing now at $70, $60 a barrel. It is only a mirage. It's only a question of time. Because the major oil companies, Shell, Chevron, who are the ones producing, they are no longer investing as much in oil. Chevron is now one of the world's largest investors in alternative fuel. Shell is pulling out of Nigeria. So, in another year or so, where will we find this money that we go to Abuja to share every month? Last month, we got back for March. The federal government printed an additional 50 to 60 billion to top up for us to share. We say remove subsidy. They say no. This April, next week again, we'll go to Abuja, we will share. By the end of this year, our total borrowings, the total we have borrowed is going to be in excess of 15 to 16 trillion. And my worry is that we wake up one day, like Argentina, the Naira will be 1,000, 2,000, it will be moving. Because you can imagine a family, you don't have money coming in, you're just borrowing and borrowing and borrowing.
Wonder shall never end, oh. Country where they print in your currency. Country in Nigeria where they print in your money, yet we they borrow. We just they borrow like people where no get sense. Oh, and we get our own. Ha! Chineke Jehovah. Nigeria. No, my question now be say, una don't ever ask una self, how come we dey owe plenty people outside? Una don't ask una self, how come we dey owe plenty people for outside? How come? Check other countries where they print their own money. Country like Nigeria say we as we get our own this thing. Now we even supposed to give people from outside. So yeah, come borrow. But upon all these things where we they do, my people, we still they borrow like in fact, the level of borrow where we they borrow now, we never and I never see them before. Even come outside now to say Buhari is not a magician. Buhari, I know that son. If Buhari don't know how to solve this problem, why he enter seat? Why Buhari enter seat? If you know say he no go fit solve this problem, he no go fit. Why he accept this presidential job? Now my question be that they print about 60 billion. I'm not talk about 60,000 or 60 million billion. They print last month. I bet where did they use that money do? With the money where they print, now my question, because last month, where did they use and do? Go ask them now, they go tell you, infrastructures of this, they go just they speak big grammar. All these old politicians now, where their mission now to take us into slavery again, now their mission. They go just do now before you know we ourselves we don't know when we go enter slavery again. After we don't recover, we go to Nigeria don't do independence, so we are now free. We are free. Make una wait. Now when una hear say we don't start again, now they una eye go open. I beg. And they refer to all the countries. I know they talk about Nigeria now. Every other country apart from Nigeria, you know say you they borrow Nigeria money. I beg stop. If you know say they borrow Nigeria money, stop. I know they laugh. Oh, serious warning. Make una better stop so that these people go know wetin they use, because I don't understand. Tomorrow now you go just hear not only figures, we just hear big figures. Hey, China has given this one 100 billions of this. How we won't start the pay back? Since we even they print our own currency, how come we not fit clear all the debts when we get? I not just don't understand. 6 good years. I be more than 6 years. Say we Buhari dey inside power. One single thing I never see. The thing even they increase. The problems even they increase. They become worse. Poor electricity supply. But we they give light to other countries. Unemployment. In fact, that one. Now unemployment Buhari even use welcome himself inside this Nigeria. Insecurity and poverty, that one they increase every day like wildfire. Every day insecurity, unemployment, this one, poverty. It just they increase up and down. Just imagine they print money and share to all these people now. They don't that money. They don't share among themselves. Oh. They don't share. No, relax. I been here with day. That money now, what they suppose use and do? We not go even see she nothing. Each person don't carry your own, put inside pockets. Each person don't carry your own, plan for a family, plan for your children where they are abroad. Now the only thing be that. My people, I say I go bring and come aside. So I bet for now when no say they print 60 billion last month. I don't bring her. We go they expose them, they go like that every day. So I beg, anything where you guys talk concerning this money, maybe you know what they use and do with me and never see. I beg, drop her for that comment section and share this video so that everybody go know what they happen. Don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go they miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.